Morning all. In this video, we are going to discuss about the what is the relationship between the three matrices. Okay, because in our previous classes we seen the how to write the matrices for the given networks. Okay, so out of that one, okay, how what is the relationship between the but matrices versus the branch voltage and the currents. Okay, so this is my presentation. Hope it is visible to you guys. Okay. So first I'm briefing the all the things which we learned so far. Okay. So the matrix incident matrix we are writing for the number of nodes versus the number of branches. Okay. If the branch is from associate, I mean if it is away means outwards means +1, incoming means -1. If there is no relation means 0. Okay. And the sum of entries in any column is 0. Why? Because if we have a one branch which has to be incoming for one node and outgoing for the another node. So the column for that one is 0. The determinant of incident matrix of closed loop is 0. Okay. The rank of the incident matrix is connected graph is n minus 1. Okay. These are all the things which we learned so far for the incident matrix. Okay. So basic incident matrix is A suffix small a is written for all the nodes. Okay. And the incident matrix A is written for by removing the last node. Okay. By removing the last node, we are writing the incident matrix A. That is what we have to remember. And the second thing is tie-set matrix B, which is represented with the B. Okay. Which is written for the number of tie-sets versus the number of branches. Okay. Always the number of tie-sets is equals to the number of links present in that net in that tree. Okay. If the link direction and the fig direction, if the link direction and the loop direction is same means we have to consider is the +1. Okay. First we have to consider that one. If the same direction is +1, if opposite direction is -1, if there is no relation means 0. Okay. And the number of tie-sets in a tree is equals to the number of links. That is what we discussed. And the tie-set traces the loop and it is used to convenient to apply the KVL. Okay. So tie-set matrix is the loop incident matrix. So it is useful for the finding the things in KVL. Okay. And the cut set matrix we can represent with the letter Q or C. Okay. Whatever it is, Q I am saying. Okay. So the fundamental cut set matrix is written for the number of cuts versus the number of branches. The number of cuts is always is equals to the number of picks in that network. Okay. Similarly, we have to consider the pick direction and the cut set direction must be same. If the same direction for loops also, for the links also, we have to consider +1 and opposite direction is -1. If there is no relation, 0. Okay. And the properties are the cut set divides the set of nodes into two subsets. Okay. And each fundamental cut set contains only one tree branch, that is one tree. Remaining elements are the links. Okay. So these are all the things which we learned so far. Okay. So these are all with the relationship, that is KVL and KCL present. I mean KVL and KCL relationships followed by the three different matrices. The incident matrix, the KVL KCL relation is the matrix A into the branch current. IB is termed as a branch current is equals to 0. Okay, KVL is VB into A transpose into VN. N is the nodal voltage. Okay, and tie-set matrix follows this relation, KCL relation. That is branch current is equals to V transpose. That is tie-set matrix transpose into link currents, loop currents. Okay, next B into VB is equals to 0. That is the KVL equation. B matrix into branch voltage is equals to 0. The cut set matrix is represents the KCL, that is Q into IB, that is branch current is equals to 0. The branch voltage VB is equals to Q transpose into VT. VT is the twig voltage. Okay. VN is the node voltage. VT is the twig voltage. VB is the branch voltage. Okay. So these are all the relations. Shall we see the how to write the relations in the problems? Okay. So for the given example, okay, we have to find four things. First, incident matrix. Second one, express the branch voltage in terms of loop voltages. Okay. Third one, tie-set matrix. Express the branch current in some terms of loop current. Okay. So in this case, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So 5 nodes we have. Okay, and then we have 8 branches. Out of that one, we are considering the 5, 2, 3, 7 are the twigs. Okay. So for the first matrix, that is incident matrix A I am writing for a first node associated branches are 1, 5, 8. So 1 is outwards, 5 is outwards, 8 is outwards. So all outwards. So 1, 5, 8 I am placing positive ones. Okay. For a node 2, 5, 6, 2 are the associated branches. 5 is incoming, 6 is outgoing, 2 is outgoing. So 5, 2 is outgoing plus 1, 5 is incoming minus 1, 6 is outgoing plus 1. Okay. For the third one is associated with the 6, 7, 8. Okay. So third one is associated with 8, 6, 3, 7. Okay. Associated with 8, 6, 3, 7. Okay. So 3, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So I'm writing with respect to the, with respect to explained things, I'm removing the last branch. Okay. So last branch, I will get the incident matrix A. Okay. As I said earlier, the relationship between the branch voltage in terms of the node voltage is given as VB is equals to A transpose into Pn. Okay. So A transpose means we have to transpose the incident matrix, not the basic incident matrix. So we have to transpose the incident matrix A, that is this one. Okay. And they always VB, the branches, the number of branches are 8. So V1 to V8, and the nodes we have a only 4 nodes. Why? Because we are we are removing the last one, that is reference node. So 4 nodes I am writing. Okay. So this is the second one, and the third one we have to find is tie-set matrix. Okay. So for a tie-set, we know that only one link and n number of peaks and the closed path. The first one is 1, 2, 5. Okay. So they always loop direction same as the link direction. 1, 2, 5. So for a 1 is same, 2 opposing, 5 opposing. So 1 is same, 2 opposing, 5 opposing. Second one is 4, 3, 7. So this is the one. So the same direction I am considering the loop direction, the link direction as same means 4 is same, 3 opposing, 7 same. So 4 same plus 1, 3 opposing minus 1, 7 same. So plus 1. Third one is 6, 2, 3. That is 6, 2, 3. So always the loop direction is link direction must be same. So if I consider this is the one, so 6 same, 3 same, 2 opposing. For a 2 we are placing minus 1, 3 plus 1, 6 plus 1. Okay. Final loop, that is we have to consider only one link, that is 5, 2, 3, 8. Okay. So the link is 8. So if I consider this is with the link means 8, 3 is same, 2 is opposing, 5 is opposing. So 2 and 5 is opposing. So I am placing 2 and 5 is minus 1, 3 is same plus 1, and 8 is same plus 1. Okay. So the relationship between the branch currents in terms of the loop currents are IB is equals to B transpose into IL. Okay. So I am making transpose of this matrices. Okay. So the branch currents I1 to I8, the loop currents I1, I2, I3, and I4. Okay. So I solve the given problem and I find out the things. Okay. Next problem. In this problem, we have a given graph. Okay. So they gave the oriented tree also, and this graph we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 are the twigs. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 are the twigs we consider. We have to write the equations for fundamental cut set matrix. Okay. So first we have to write fundamental cut set matrix. So the cut sets are, okay, the first cut set is 1, 6, 7, 8. That is 1, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 6, 7, 8. So this is our cut set 1. Okay. So if I consider first direction, because twig direction and the cut set direction must be same. If I consider this is the direction, so 8 is same, 7 is opposing, 6 is same. Okay. So 6 is same, 7 is opposing, 8 is same, 1 is same. So this is for first cut set. Second cut set is 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 2, 5, 2, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. 2, 5, 7, 8. Okay. So this is a open loop only. Okay. So if I consider 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 is same direction. 5 is same direction. 8 is opposing. 7 is opposing. So 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 is same. 5 is same. 6 is opposing. 7 is same. 8 is opposing. For the third cut set, 3, 5, 6. That is branch 3 and 5 and 6. So this is my third cut set. Okay, for a third cut set, always the cut set direction, the twig direction is same, means 50 is same, 6 is opposing, means 3, 5 are the plus ones, 3, 5 are the plus 1, 6 is minus 1. Third cut set is 4, 6, 7. So this is our third cut set. Okay. So if I consider the twig direction for the cut set, okay, 7 is opposing, 6 is same. So for a 7 I am placing minus 1 and 6 I am placing plus 1. We know that the KVL equation for the given cut set is Q into IB is equals to 0. IB means branch currents. Okay. So we have 8 branches, that is I1, I2 and so on to I8. So Q is the matrix what we got in the cut set matrix. So I am writing Q is equals to 0. This is in this way we have to solve the given problems and write the equations. Okay. Hope you understood, guys. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.